Is it? Then you need to add a glue there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, use strong glue. Yes,
Sir?
Kevin, tell me. Yes,
Sir,
Kevin.
can I use hot glue gun?
Yes, you can use that.
Sir?
Sir, what are the washers for?
I will tell you. I'll tell you. We're gonna use that in today's class. Okay.
Sir, instead of sticking this thing ulta, I stuck it like this. Now what should I do?
Just remove it and fix it again, dear. No problem. Okay.
Sir, my propeller has one wing is not there in the propeller.
Why? What happened?
I used it for the robotics. Sir told that if you wanted to wipe it, you have to take one wing out of them.
Yeah. See, these kind of propellers we're gonna need. Okay.
Sir, I don't have these type of.
It's fine. But once you fix it. Okay. Because this can produce the more thrust. Yes,
Okay, sir.
Varma. That's the one.
So are we going to make a drone today?
Yes. So I will explain you what kind of drones available and its applications today. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to build
Start
a
making the drone.
tricopter. Okay.
So tricopter is like helicopter, but little different, right?
No, tricopter, it's a kind of drone. Okay, multi-rotor drone, but having only 3 motors.
So then how will the fourth wing fly?
I'll tell you. I'll explain you that.
So I have a drone.
Is it? Even I got one. See ya.
It's a nice one, sir.
Small.
I have a white color one.
Is it?
So my drones actually one wing got detached. Like
Then you
this.
must know how to fly it, right? You can control it, right?
So I know to control a drone. I have flied it very well. I have taken it above like buildings also.
Wow, that's great.
So the thing is that my
excuse me.
drones one wings one part inside that sand went.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in yesterday's class, you made this, no?
Yes, guys.
What is this? Can I know?
Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Can I know what this is?
Warmer. That is a motor, brushless motor.
Sir.
Yes.
So actually the drones that one wing part inside some sand something like. So I'm actually trying to learn this so I can fix that drone.
Which one? Come again, Steve?
So I told, I have a drone. So what happened was
Yes.
that while we were flying it once, one of my sister's friends actually took it and started flying it. So what happened when I don't know what happened to one of the motors in the corner, suddenly it's not able to hold the wing well. So the wing gets loose. So I'm actually trying to learn and see if I can do anything about it, if I can fix it or something.
If you show me that drone, then I can rectify your problem.
Okay, sir, I'll show you tomorrow. It's in my car.
Okay, no problem.
Sir, did you do anything? Because I just joined.
Sir, can I use this
nothing. We
propeller?
haven't started anything yet. Yeah. Okay.
Sir, can I
guys,
use this? Sir,
yes, you can use that actually. You can use that. Okay, guys, just do one
this is
thing.
a micro DC motor, right?
I want to see everyone's model now. Just show me your models.
Sir, is this the DC motor? Like
Akshat, can you show the
Yes,
DC?
even that is also motor, but we can't use that. That it has a more weight.
My model. Can you see my
Ashik, yours is good, and Sankalp, I have seen yours. Karan, perfect, and Joseph, where is your flight, dear? Wow, perfect. And Kevin?
Sir, I'm fixing it, sir.
No
I
problem.
put it
Okay,
ulta.
okay. Yeah. Okay, fix it. Nishwant? Wonderful. Yeah, great. And Vibhuti, Wow, that's cute. And Akshat, fantastic. Varma,
Sir, I came just now. Sir, and I have the same just toy.
sorry dear, come again.
Sir, I came just now, and I
It's okay,
finished.
it's okay. Just show me the plane you did yesterday.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. And Varma,
Yes, sir. Can you
show
hear
me the model, dear.
Um, sir,
Okay,
can
Mohammed, perfect, dear.
sir, can you see it?
Yeah, I can. Great.
Sir, can you see my model?
Varma, no. Turn on the camera, dear.
Sir, now?
Yes. Where's your model? Wow, great. And Sparsh, what you are holding? What is that? Sparsh? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which plane that you are holding?
This plane.
Okay, which model it is?
Don't know.
Don't know. That is a jumbo jet. It's a Boeing 747.
747.
Yes, Varma.
It's called this. There are different types of 747s. There's the 747/400, and then there's the 747/800.
Wow, great. Superb. I'm
Seven
very
for
impressed.
what?
It's a 747 aircraft. It's the second largest passenger carrier in the world.
Oh. So what's the first?
Airbus 380. Okay, Ristov, please show your model so that we can start the next step.
Sure, there's more to this. I thought you can see my model.
Yes, dear, fantastic. Okay, how many of you have done the second model by watching a recorded video? Is anyone tried to do try to do the model again?
No, sir. Sir, why did
No.
you off the comments?
What comment, dear?
In the YouTube channel, I saw that. I want to comment that.
No, I haven't done anything. It's fine, no problem.
Sir, can you show me all the things needed for the drone? Like everything?
We just need, anyway, we got
Sir,
phone chip, right?
is it compulsory to make a second model?
No. Simply I asked. Okay.
Sir, is that a drone?
Yes, this is the one. Okay, this is the multi-rotor quadcopter, the basic one.
Can you show it how it is fly? How?
Yeah, I will show you, but not today. Okay, once you done, I will show you. Tomorrow we are going to build this one. Okay, but this is a quadcopter which has 4 motors. We are going to build a 3-motor one, which is called tricopter. Okay.
What we are doing? I have a doubt, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir,
One by one.
should be down
One
or
by
up?
one. One by
Sir,
one.
Sir, can you please tell me all the things needed? Like what the fan names, doing wires, batteries, and everything?
I have given in the list here. I have given all the names and fixtures in the list.
Yes, it is. Sir, should we have this wing down or up?
Sir, is this
Now it's fine, Karan. Now it is fine.
I have a doubt.
Yes, dear.
Sir, is this a micro DC motor?
No, that is not micro DC motor.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, dear.
So that today we are going to build a drone or tomorrow we are going to build a drone?
Let me see. If we get enough time to start it, then we'll start today, or else we'll do it tomorrow. Okay. So now everyone have done till here, right? We finished with the model, right? We got the plane.
So before you start, can I ask you something?
Sir,
Yes, Advait.
Can we use this DC motor?
Yeah, that is DC motor.
Can we use it?
No, we can't here
that's
because
cool.
we can't produce enough thrust from that DC motor. We have to use a micro DC motor.
So this one is the one, right?
Not it, Vibhuti. Sorry.
Sir, can you show that this micro
See here, this is the micro DC motor.
small one?
Yeah, small one. I have even shared the picture as well.
Sorry, my parents can't find the micro DC
No
motor in the
problem.
shop.
No problem. If you don't have, it's fine. Okay. We will build the drone in whatever the motor we have. But once you get these kind of motors, build a different model and try to fly. Okay.
Day after tomorrow is the last class.
Yes, but you will be knowing how to build it, right? We're gonna teach you how to build it so that even after 3 months you can try to build a new one, right?
Sir,
Wing उल्टा लगा दिया.
Yes, Mohammed.
sir, are we continuing this plane or we are making a quadcopter?
No, we are going to continue with this plane. Okay, we'll finish it by 10 minutes. Okay, then we'll do a different one. We'll start doing drone. But before that, I want to show you something. I want to explain what kinds of drone we get to see around and what its application, for what purpose we are going to use the drones in future, and currently it's been using. Okay.
Sir, can you show me what the Teflon paper looks like?
Yeah, I'll show you. But guys, I'm going to ask you all questions. Okay, after this.
सर मैंने wing को उल्टा लगा दिया.
We gonna build the drone today or tomorrow?
Today we will start it if
So
we
was
get
that
time.
the
Okay.
so was that the Depron sheet? Was that the Depron sheet? That black thing?
The whole thing, this plane is made up of Depron sheet only.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, are we gonna make the drone today or tomorrow?
Today we will start doing if we get time. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So have you heard of, oh guys, have you heard of UAV?
No, sir.
No.
sir. No.
Okay. What is the other name of drone?
It's an aircraft without any people on it. It's an unmanned aircraft.
Yes. Okay. The aircraft without having any person riding on that. Okay. That is known as drone. And there is another name for drone, that is UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
and what is a
Yes.
quadcopter?
I will tell you. I will explain you now. Okay. We'll go step by step. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, dear.
सर मैंने
Sir, can I show my plane?
One by one, one by one. Yes, first. Tell me.
Sir, this is my plane which I
Yeah, I saw yours yesterday itself. It is good.
Okay.
It is looking very nice. Okay.
सर
Yes, Mohammed.
सर मैंने उल्टा लगा दिया.
Sorry.
मैंने उल्टा लगा दिया और ये ऐसा आना चाहिए ना ऐसे.
वो विंग ऊपर लगाना है बेटा, नीचे नहीं, ऊपर ऊपर लगाना है.
सर
Okay. So, guys, leave your models and here listen here. Okay. We will.
Explain me the thing. Sir, can you explain me everything from beginning once you stop sharing your screen?
Yes,
another class.
it's okay, dear. I will explain.
तो मैं
Okay.
निकाल के वापस लगा दूं?
Okay. So, okay.
निकाल के वापस लगा दूं?
हाँ, वो निकाल के फिर से लगाइए, ठीक है?
एक क्लास के बाद में लगा हुआ से।
Yeah, better. So here you can see the 4 types of drones, guys. Can you name it? First one. Can anyone name the first one?
Multi-rotors.
Okay. Can anyone explain me what is
Multi-rotor drones, fixed-wing drones. Sir, can we make the fixed-wing drone?
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that.
Motors are on the drone.
Sir, we can do two with 2 wings.
Sir, did
Drone.
Guys, guys, I will just explain all these things. Okay, later we will discuss. Okay, I will ask you one by one. If you have any doubts, you just ask me later. Got it?
Okay, sir.
I just finished explaining this first.
Hello,
Okay.
sir.
So we have 4 types of drones here. One is multi-rotor drone. The second one is fixed wing drones. Third one is fixed wing hybrid drone, VTOL. Okay. The specialty of this drone is VTOL. I'll ask you what is VTOL later. Okay. Then the fourth one is single rotor UAV. So often we used to see the multi-rotor drones around us. Okay. But not these 3, right? Am I audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these multi-rotor drones, there are it has been classified into further. Among them is multi-rotor drones. One of that. Okay. So the multi-rotor drones. One. Okay. What is multi-rotor drone? Can someone explain me?
Sir, I can.
Yes, dear. Go ahead.
Multi-rotor drones are most common types of drones.
Don't explain me what it is here. What is here? Okay.
Sir, I know why they're
Yes.
named multi.
Yes.
Their name multi-rotor drones as
Mhm.
they usually have more than one fan or motor.
Wonderful. So the drone which have more than one motor is known as multi-rotor drone, right? Okay. So in the multi-rotor drone, we
Sir,
use.
can you start the class?
Sorry, Ashik.
Can you start the class?
Yeah, I'm just explaining the things. Okay. This is important, beta. I will ask you the questions later. You got to answer. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So in the multi-rotor
Sir,
drone,
today what we will do?
today we'll finish this model and we start doing drone. Okay, the helicopter drone.
Today what we will do? Like,
Can you explain from start so that it's clear?
Okay, I'll just finish quickly. Okay. So in the multi-rotor drone, this is the one type of drone, and the fixed wing drone, which we are building now. Okay. If we add motor here to this will become a fixed wing drone. Got it? And the third one, single rotor drone. This exactly looks like a helicopter. These kind of drones will be used in military. Guys, just mute it yourself. And the last one, the fixed wing hybrid VTOL. Okay, VTOL means vertical takeoff and landing. The drone can take off vertically and do landing vertically. Okay, but the specialty of this is it's a fixed wing. in this quadcopter, we can do vertical takeoff and vertical landing, but in this, it's not easy. So we got a special drone called fixed wing hybrid VTOL, which land and take off vertically. Got it? So we'll
Multiple drones that will be needed. Remote controlling drones or non-controlling remote control.
all these are remote controlling drones. Okay. So, but mostly we get to see these two kinds of drone. One is fixed wing drone and the other one is rotor drone, right? Okay. So the main purposes of drones. Okay. Why we use drones? Can anyone tell me why we use drones?
Places.
Varma?
Sir, we use
Just to shoot movies.
Sir, we can
Shoot
use
movies and
And
Sir, it can be used in army. It can be used in the army.
Yes. And do you know, just to do a survey, to do the landmark, okay, even for that purpose, we use drones. See here, the drone is moving from point A to point B, right? The same way, it's scanning the land and it's giving the picture in the monitor here, right?
Sir, somebody is having two devices logged in because it's echoing, sir.
Now,
Not now, sir, but when somebody.
it's fine, no problem. See here how the drone is flying over here, and at the same time it's scanning the land and it's showing the picture in the monitor. So for this process we call topographic mapping or land surveys. So drone can be used to do a land survey. Got it? And can someone read this for me? Read this sentence for me.
drones keep track of each
One,
equipment's
one.
location on job site, recording errors,
In future, drones will be used in data and guide construction vehicles using artificial intelligence.
Guide construction vehicles using
Okay.
artificial
See, the
intelligence.
drone can be used to have a height on equipments, okay, to avoid the theft, right?
to avoid what, sir?
It can be used to track the equipments, okay, in construction site or where we can use to track like in most of the time we use to track the equipments in the construction sites only, okay, and it can be used to take up pictures, right? Guys,
Yes, sir.
are you there?
Yes.
Okay. Now for the photo shoot and for the video shoot, we use drones, right? First, like if you want to shoot a movie with a higher altitude, we used to have a crane to take a pictures and all, okay? But
Sir,
nowadays, with
How
the
did you make the structure of the plane? Did you attach the paper on the Teflon sheet and then cut around the paper?
yes, I will tell you that later. I'll explain you how we built that, okay? Don't worry.
Thank you.
Okay. And so for this purpose, we can use the drones and to keep a high for the surveillance. Okay. Surveillance purpose, we can have a drone and to check the altitude. What do you mean by altitude, guys? What is the meaning of altitude?
Sir, the height of the drone is flying
Yes.
or any
see?
flight.
Now this is a building and we want to check the height of this building. How we can do? We can't take a tape and
Using the drone.
yeah, by using the drone we can check the altitude, how high
We can
the
check
building
the
is.
height of any building.
Yes. And structure inspection and photography purpose.
Sir, we
can
even
use
have
drone.
an app on the iPad that does that.
Okay, and like these these are all the key features we can add to the drone. We can add GPS, we can add thermal sensor, we can add camera, we can add any other software in the
Sir,
drone.
nowadays
Okay, we
in
can integrate
weddings,
all of
sir,
this.
nowadays in weddings, they will take drones. Wedding companies, they will
Yes,
take drones with camera and take
yes.
shoots.
Sir,
Okay.
I think you're
So
explaining little too fast.
let's see the guys. Let's see the classification of multi-rotor drone. Okay.
Sir, can you please show me the different sheet?
I will show you, dear. Let me finish this.
I think you're going a little too fast.
Sorry, advice. Come again.
Sir, can you go a little slower?
Sure, dear. Sure, dear.
Because I
Okay.
don't understand a lot of stuff.
No, I'll go slow. Okay, don't worry. I'll explain you again.
I have
if
a
you want.
doubt.
Don't go to the Burj Khalifa.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Madhav, I will tell you what is differentiate.
Sir,
Okay.
I have a doubt.
Yes, first. Go ahead.
Sir, that materials about drones, can you show it to us? Materials about drones.
I will show you, dear. I'll show it once we complete this part. Okay. So this is the tricopter, guys. So this is the model which we are going to do later. That means after this model. Okay. So see here. There will be 3 motors in tricopter, and the 2 of them will be rotating clockwise direction. Okay, sorry, in this all the 3 motors will be rotating in the same direction. Okay, into the clockwise direction. And here the most important one, this is the quadcopter F450. Okay, Sanjeev sir is going to build this drone on 5th day. So here, see, the fans will rotate in a different direction. These 2, 1 and 2 motors will be rotating clockwise, and other 2 will be rotating anti-clockwise to stabilize, to have a smooth lift. Okay.
Sir, what can make a drone fly?
See, here you can see the motors, right?
Yeah,
And we got a propeller, right?
yeah.
When this motor rotates with high speed, okay, these propeller have a aerodynamic shape, and that will help us to generate the lift. Okay, this motor produces the thrust, and hence the drone will fly, lift, it create the lift. So
Yes,
that
sir. We are keeping it up. So, sir, when we are,
one by one, guys.
yes,
Sir,
sir.
What will happen to
Sir?
the drone if
Sir.
all of the motors spin clockwise?
You don't get stability to control, dear. It will fly either one side or it get crash.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
And this is a pentacopter which has
sir,
5 motors.
instead
See?
of 2 wings, right, sir? When we keep 3 wings and keep the propellers down, sir, will it fly, sir, or it will go down itself?
Sorry, I didn't get you, dear. Come again.
For example, sir, when we keep the propellers down instead of keeping up,
Yeah, we can do that, but this aerodynamic shape, we're gonna fix that inverse. Okay.
yes, sir.
even do that.
Instead of this 2 propellers, we can take 4. So, like then we can make it down and work.
Yeah, but you have to study a lot of things before building that kind of drone. Okay, because
Okay, sir.
the principles will change, and if you want to maintain the stability of the plane, you have to take care of the aerodynamic shape, which side you're fixing. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
many things matters. I will share the link. If you are interested in that, you can check on that. Okay.
Sir, what's a pentacopter?
Pentacopter is nothing but a drone which has 5 motors. See, there are 5 motors here, right?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sir, it's like geometry.
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's
Yes.
like
And this is, yes, Ashi.
that 5 motors, it is DC motor or DC motor?
DC motor.
Okay.
Yeah. And this is hexacopter, guys. Why we call hexacopter?
Sir, I fixed it.
Sir, it uses 6 motors and propeller.
One by one, one by one.
Unit.
One by one, guys.
It has
Yeah.
looks like 6 motors.
Yeah, it has 6 motors. Then that's why we call this hexacopter. Okay. And what is this?
Octocopter.
Octocopter. Why we
Octocopter
call
uses
this
8
octocopter?
motors.
Yes.
It's because it has 8 motors.
Yes,
It
yes,
has 8
yes,
micro DC motor.
yes. And these are some regulations you have to check out before flying a drone, okay, in your country where you're located. You can't simply build a drone and fly it outside. Okay, you might get arrested for that. It's a offense to fly drone without registration. Got it?
Sir, is these rules in India or UA?
All
Like-
over the world, dear.
These ones which you're sharing.
Yes. Not this, exactly this. Different countries will have a different rules and regulations. Okay.
So we can't fly the
You can fly a drone, but before flying, you have to get it registered. And nearby the airport or nearby any military base, you can't fly a drone. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, but we can fly here now, our drone.
Come again, Mohammed.
Fly my drone. So, sir, can we start the class?
Yes, we'll start now.
Can you help me how to build this aeroplane?
Yes, Aradhya. You have made a wing, right?
Where to do this? Ask.
Aradhya,
Is this like this?
just see mine, just pin to cam, wisdom it.
So then what is the use of nose pad and everything?
Sir, is this behind or on this?
Yes, can you see mine?
Is it behind or on it?
It's like this. You have to take the wing and fix it like the point one, the arrow mark one. Okay, it should be facing towards you.
Sir, is this a micro DC motor?
Yeah, like
Can you give me a
Sir,
top
is
view?
it like this?
Can you show me upside? Yes, like that. Just a bit behind.
where are you asking?
Where?
Behind. Just fix it little bit behind. Show me like this. Okay, top view. Give me a top view. Yes, exactly. Okay. Yes, that's how you have to fix it. Use a strong glue to fix it. Yes, Muhammad. Yeah, you have done good. That's perfect. Okay, so guys, now take a micro DC motor. Everyone take a micro DC motor.
Sir, will a DC
Sir, I
motor
don't
work?
have, sir.
Sir, will a DC motor work as well?
Yes.
तिला रडू नको बाई ती रडेल सगळं कळतच नाही बिलकुल.
Take a DC motor, guys.
Oh, you can play.
तुला सरांनी काय सांगितलं ते ऐक.
Sir, any a DC motor is also okay.
आणि मग काय
We need micro
DC motor.
Sir, how much we need micro DC motor?
Today we just need one, dear.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I don't have micro DC motor. Can I use DC motor?
Yeah, you can use normal DC motor if you don't have this one.
Sir, the micro DC motor is that small?
Yes, see, so very small.
But sir, why are we keeping in the front? Are we supposed to keep it in the back?
Sir,
No, we can't.
is this motor?
Sir, this is
Yes, that's the one, but that is DC motor, dear. That is not a micro DC motor, but still you can use that, no problem.
this
Okay.
is the sir, my DC motor will work.
Okay.
Sir, you have to put
So,
strong glue and stick it.
yes, you can use strong glue or you can use hot glue or you can use sellotape to fix it.
Thanks, sir.
Sir,
What to do?
sir, DC motor will also work.
Yes, and you know how to give a connection, right, with a battery?
Motor connect. Sir, what did you do this now?
Yes, 1 minute. 1 minute. Listen here. Listen here. You all know how to give a power to this DC motor, right? You must have learnt in robotics class,
Yes, sir.
right? The same way we are going to give a
For
power to this
this
DC motor.
airplane,
Yes, the same way we are going to give a power to this DC motor. Okay.
are we making this circuit?
Yes.
are we going to use the switch?
Switch we don't require. We just need a battery and the wire. Okay.
New battery papani आणली आहे ना?
Where to put the motor?
Sir, I have already a circuit over here.
Yes,
Can I
you know how
take
to
it over
do
here?
a circuit, right? Yes, you can. We have to do the same thing here. See, we have to fix the micro DC motor in the front of the plane. Okay. See here. Then fix it. Use hot glue or sellotape to fix it. Then do a circuit thing. Okay.
Sir,
If we're fixing it with a hot glue, won't it ruin the motor?
No, just you have to add a bit. Okay, not more. Lightly, you just put the glue.
Sir, we need a battery holder and a switch also.
No, switch won't be required. If you want to add a switch, you can. Okay. It's up to your creativity.
Sir, how the one will fly then if we'll put the plane on? We have to use this one or this one?
Anyone is fine, Verma. Anything.
Sir, I have already the circuit over here. So can I use this one?
Which one? I can't see, dear. Shankar?
DC motor. I had done it.
Sir, is this fine?
Yes,
Sir,
that's
this
good.
connection is fine.
But just give a power to that.
Sir, this connection is. The cell is very heavy. Like I'll show you.
It's fine. You can
Sir,
do
it's
that.
like this.
Yes. Take a wire and do a circuit.
Sir, what are you doing? Can you show me?
We are just adding the motor into the plane, dear. See here, this is how you have to add a motor right in front of the airplane. Okay.
How can I add the circuit?
sir, can you
Yes.
make
Add the circuit, like I can just stick it in the.
the he
Yes, Nishwan?
the glue is heating? Can you wait?
Yes, no problem. We'll wait.
Sir, I have
over here, and the circuit I already made it. So now what
Yeah.
to do?
Give a power.
Kitte bus,
Sir, I
kitte
had done
charge
it
nahi.
separately.
This is not my work.
Can you run that motor? Yeah. Fix it there. Fix to the motor into the nose of the aircraft. See here.
Okay, sir. Sir, without the switch I had done, so without the switch, if I take a wire, then only it will stop.
No problem. Remove the battery, fix it, then fix the battery. Okay.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Sir, is this size okay?
Sir,
Yes, that is perfect.
sir, I don't have a DC motor, sir. So what I'll do, sir? I don't have any motor, sir.
It's okay, Sham. When you get it, just finish the model. Okay. Don't
Can I
worry.
use sellotape, no? Insulation tape.
Sir, even I don't
Yes,
have
you
the
can use sellotape.
Sir,
Yes.
can you show like where to put the motor? So I can remember.
Yeah. Right in front of
In the
the
eye of the
aircraft.
fish.
Yes, in the eye of the fish.
So, sir, all you did right now was add the motor and then add the propeller to the motor.
Yes.
Sir, if I'm not using a switch, how can we stop the power stop the power from reaching it before when we
If you want to control the power, then you have to add a switch. If you don't want to control it, just if you want to simply see the motor running, then you can do directly. Okay. Just remove the connection from the battery, it will stop working.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Sir, can we use this glue to stick it?
I think that won't be good. Just use our glue. You have a glue gun, right?
Yes, sir.
Then
This
use
is taking a while.
It's okay, no problem.
Sir, should we put super glue on this motor?
Super glue, yes, you can add, but use sellotape, dear. That is better. You can easily remove if you don't want.
Okay. Then
I need to know.
tell sir to show one.
Yeah, but we need to do it as fast as we can.
See, Aradhya, keep the motor here and take a sellotape, then just roll it. Okay, you can fix it easily.
Are you okay allowed to do it with sellotape?
Yeah, but it won't be as good.
Okay, then
Let's try. Let's try.
no, it will look dirty. Pick up that bulb before it breaks.
No, let me just try it. Even if it looks dirty.
No, it will look very bad. Man. It
No,
will not
who
even fly
cares?
properly.
It will.
No, it won't. I'll just take it
Just
from
because
Dada.
of tape, it won't fly properly.
Acha, I'll get the thing. Wait.
Okay.
What are you up to?
I'm trying to.
See, my plane is ready. It's already rotating.
I do. I do. But
Sir, what did you attach the wire to?
what?
I just took extra wire and attached to the motor
Yeah.
so that I can.
Sir, is that
So
when
where was the extra
connect
wire
the battery
connected
to the
to?
wire?
Yes.
So basically, you connected the battery to the motor.
Yeah, directly I connected the wire.
Sir, should we stick the batteries?
Uses
Battery. Battery, no need to stick it. Okay, just take a
But
lengthy
where
wire.
should we get the battery?
No, just take a lengthy wire and give a connection to the motor, and other side, other end, you just connect it to the battery. Okay.
sir, like can it fly?
No, it won't fly like that. Okay. Remove the connection and just throw it away in the air, in the open space. Okay, it will fly. It glides it. Okay. It's
Sir,
not a
after this,
motor
next time
driven
you
glider, guys. See, it's not a motor driven glider. Okay. Just because I just want to show you how the motor, the fixed wing drone work. And that's the
Sir,
reason I made you
like
to
this.
fix the
Last part,
motor.
tell sir.
Sir, how to fix this aeroplane?
Sorry, Aradhya, come again.
After we finish building,
How do we stick this part on the plane?
You have fixed the tail, this one, right? In SS9, above the SS9.
Above that.
Above the SS9, fix it.
sir,
Yes, Ryan.
after we finish, can you demonstrate how the plane works? Like, can you show?
Yes, I'll do.
But sir, if you're not gonna attach the battery pack to the if you're not
Yeah,
gonna attach the
because,
batteries to the
see,
plane,
we-
then
I
how
will
will
explain.
that
I will
move
explain. I will explain it. Okay, we will finish this model first. I will explain how we're gonna fly this. Got it?
Sir, like this?
Yes, it is rotating, right?
Yes, sir. But it's going slow.
Yes, because your battery power must have drained.
So where did you connect the wire?
Yes,
So where did you connect the wire?
now.
Sir,
Yeah,
for
in
the
the motor,
battery, should we fix it or should we just leave it like that?
Leave it like that. Okay.
Should we fix the battery, the wires to the battery?
No, not. Just to, if you want to run the motor, fix it, or else not required.
Sir, is this correct?
Achana.
Where is yours?
Atidu ya gajbe kita.
Sir, is this correct?
Perfect.
Sir,
Now run it.
does this have a remote control?
No. This won't be having remote control, but I will share a video in the group, guys, which we can control the whole aeroplane with the remote. Okay.
Come here. इकडे जायचं नाही.
Sir,
See, the reason, guys, why I didn't give all the list and the remote. 1 minute. See, if we have a remote, if we want to buy a remote, the one thing is it's very costly. Okay, and the second thing is you can't get it now from the market.
Sir, how's this?
Perfect. It's rotating, right?
Yeah, of course, it's rotating. It's a
Yeah.
good thing, right?
Yeah, I will explain the working principle, dear. Let everyone complete the model. Okay. Now,
Mode before the battery.
the one thing is remote is very costly,
Listen now.
and we want to
Sir,
get.
can you repeat it again?
Sir, where did you
1 minute,
connect the
Aradhya.
wire?
1 minute. Yes, Mohammed, go ahead.
Sir, where did you connect the wires?
You don't have fixed the wire yet?
Where did you stick the wire?
See, show me the DC motor.
DC motor.
Sir, can I replace my batteries?
Yes, you can.
It's not working.
Mohammed, show me the DC motor, dear. Yes. You've got a 2 wires, right, behind that?
Yeah.
Okay,
Just
now,
small wires.
yes, small wire. Take a lengthy wire, the
Okay,
different
so then-
lengthy wire.
Okay, so
Then connect to that wires. Okay, the different, there should be a 2 wires and 2.
Sir, I have a doubt,
different-
sir.
1 minute.
Sir,
Farah,
this
one
one
minute.
is not fitting.
Okay, Mohammed. There
Yes,
should be a
sir.
2 different wires connecting to the different. Yes, red and black is there, right?
Yeah.
Now connect to the 2 different wires.
Okay, sir. After first, I will tell you.
After that, from the other end, give the connection to the battery so that motor starts rotating.
Battery holder.
Yes.
Okay, sir. but the battery holder has only 2 wires, and we have four motors.
No, the other 3 motors we are going to use that for the next model, not for this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Karan?
Today.
Sir, I'm not able to fit this propeller to the motor, sir.
I think the propeller hole is bigger, right?
So
Don't
why
worry.
did we need the propeller?
Sir, it's really small, sir. The propeller,
Is anyone sharing the
Just add the glue.
it's a micro DC motor, but still it's not working, sir.
Why?
Sir, I don't know, sir. It's not,
Connection. You have to give a proper connection for
How
that.
do you make
The
it
connection might have wrong.
sir, it's not even fitting, sir. I connected it, but it's
It's
not
okay.
even.
This airplane just fly on.
Just add a glue and connect it. Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Madhav. Tell
how
me.
do you control the drone if there's no remote control?
I will. Tomorrow we are going to do a tricopter. No, there we are going to give a connection directly from the power supply. Okay, the drone will always be connected with the wires. You don't go because we don't have a remote and receiver. Remote and receiver cost is expensive. Okay, and even now it's tough to get those materials, and that's the reason I didn't give. The wires will always be connected with drone to fly it. Okay, Madhav?
But sir, how will it go in higher range?
No, it won't go much higher. It will be with us only. It will not
So
go
what
away
if
with
it
us.
by mistakenly goes a little higher? The wire will cut
No,
loose.
wire will be connected with the motor, right? If wire cut, then the power will cut. It will fall down, right? Right?
Yeah, so basically it like you're holding the batteries and
Yes.
it's gonna fly while you're holding the batteries. So like the batteries are
Yes.
like a remote.
Yes, dear.
Oh.
Because
Can you show us like by flying it?
see, I have this one. See, this doesn't have any receiver and battery. Okay, I can give the connection to the wire and I can fly it. But the wire will always be connected with the motors. If we cut the wire, then power will cut. The motors will not run. I'll show you where. So everyone done with the plane?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, all we have to do is take the motor and the propeller to the aeroplane and not stick to the plane and connect the battery.
Yes. Sham, you don't have motors, right?
Yes, sir.
It's okay. Still, you can fly that plane. Okay, you just have to glide that plane.
this big wires is okay.
Yes, that is okay.
Sir, can we put the cell on it and fly it?
You can, but it won't fly, dear. But you can add that on top of the plane because the weight will be more, right?
Yes, sir.
So you must have got an idea how the aeroplane fly.
Yes, sir.
With the engine support, the plane move forward, and with the wing support, it creates the lift. Thus, aircraft fly in the air.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. So can I put it on the aeroplane?
Yes, you can. Guys, can you
It won't
see
fly.
the drone? Can you see my drone here?
Yes, sir.
It's rotating, right? Motors are rotating.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
not giving enough power to lift the drone because there is a camera around me,
But
and
if I turn like this, it's going.
yeah. Can you
That is
observe the
so
motors are
hard.
rotating here, guys?
Yes, sir.
But why can't you lift it, sir?
Because there are objects around me. So if I lift it, then
Excuse me, sir.
Oh,
sorry.
okay,
Just
sir.
keep Madana.
Yeah, I will share the video, guys. Okay, I will take this to outside and I will fly it. I will share the video with you all. Okay, even when you build a drone, guys, never fly it inside your home. Okay, it get crashes, then your drone also will get damaged.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, first.
Sir, see my dead plane.
Wonderful. Rotate it. Turn on the motor. Super.
Sir, my brother has this toy, which is like basically it's like a cartoon character, and it has a sensor because when we put our hand underneath, the propeller starts moving around and it goes up and down, but it doesn't have a battery pack. Is that like an
Yes.
advanced drone?
Same model. This is also okay. And
Oh,
the
so it
same
has a
thing we are
sensor?
going to build tomorrow. But these have a 4 motors, and the model which the drone which we are going to build tomorrow, that will be only having 3 motors called
maybe, sir.
tricopter. Okay.
Okay,
The
sir.
drone.
Sir, are we done with today's class?
Yes.
Sir, for tomorrow,
Guys,
do we need any printouts?
no, for tomorrow we don't need any printouts. Just show me all your models once with turn on the motor. Motor should be rotating.
Sir, I don't have the motor, so I'm just watching.
Sir, how is this,
No
sir?
problem, Advait. Don't worry. Once you get motors, you can fix it. Okay. But don't forget to share the video.
More I need to know.
Advait, come again.
Is there more I need to know?
For today?
Yeah.
No, that's it. I will explain the principle of the flight tomorrow. I'll do one thing, guys. You guys have to explain me how the aircraft fly tomorrow. Okay.
But I didn't connect that wireless still. I can't turn on the motor.
Just build a circuit, dear. You did it in the
Sir,
robotics
are we
class,
done with
right?
today's class?
You did it in the robotics class, right?
Yes,
The
sir.
same way you have to give a power to that motor.
And so where will put this battery holder if we fly the drone?
No, you can't able to fly this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Without motor, you can glide the plane. Now, Ashik.
Glide.
Ashik.
Did we even add the motors?
Sorry, Ryan, come
Sir,
again.
tomorrow are we going to build drones? Sir,
Yes, Saradhya.
sir, will we building drones tomorrow?
Yes, only one drone. Tricopter will be building.
So that is,
I couldn't stick this, sir.
sir, what we need?
So the tricopter, could we use DC motor?
Yes, right now you all have other 3 motors, right? Extra 3 motors with you, right?
Sir, what are the things we need?
3 DC motors and wire. And we have foam sheet already with us, right?
Yep.
So we need
Yes.
to take a printout tomorrow.
No. We don't need to take any printouts.
So foam sheet also we need tomorrow.
Foam sheet already we have, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Extra
why do we
sheet
have that?
we have, right?
We'll be using the foam sheet tomorrow.
Sir, do we need popsicle sticks?
I have done it.
Yes. Pop sticks and foam sheet. See, we don't need much of foam sheet. Only this much. See how much Depron I have used, how much foam sheet I have used to build this drone, the same amount of sheet is enough. Okay.
Sir, mine is done.
Okay. Now make a video and upload it in the group. Okay.
Sir, how to fly this? Can I know? I have run the circuit.
If you want to fly it,
Sir, it
see,
is working.
yes.
So tomorrow drone will it fly?
It will fly also.
Yes, but you have to remove the battery to fly. Remove the battery and remove the motor, or else your motor going to get damaged. So remove and just yeah, that is enough. That is enough, Akshat. That is more than enough. Okay, you just have to glide it. Okay.
So after connecting the circuit, we won't be able to fly it.
No, you have to remove that circuits and fly it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, only a model. Sir,
Don't try.
what I with the glue gun? So,
Sir,
new model.
Drone will fly.
So that's all
One
for
by
today's
one,
class.
one
Right?
minute.
Sir, can we leave?
Sir,
Ryan,
That's
come
all
again.
for today's class, so we can leave.
Aradhya, just a minute
Where
here.
is it?
I'll come to you.
So this plane which we made is a model only.
It's a model, but see, if you remove the motor and just go outside and try to fly it, it will fly. Okay, it will
Sir, I
glide.
tried to fly it, but it does not work. Mine just while the nose is in the front, when I fly it in the air, the nose turns backwards. Like
Okay,
it faces me.
so if in that case, see, just add the metal washer into the nose of the plane. Okay, see, when you hold the plane like this, it should be balancing.
Sir, I can't see the wing part. Can you show the wing part?
So can I leave now?
Wait, Akshat. See, guys, everyone just hold your plane like this
Sir,
with the help of your tip of with the tip of your finger. Hold the plane like this.
Can
Okay.
you show the wing? Can you show the wing of your airplane, sir?
Yes, I'm showing here. Here it is.
Sir, the tail wing. My plane is heavier.
See.
Sir, why did we make a cut in the middle wing?
Sorry.
Sir, we cut it, right? We cut the.
Show me the model and ask me dear, so that I can help you easily.
Sir, no, you cut the middle part, right?
Where here?
Yes, sir. Here you cut the little part.
Yeah,
because...
here. Fix to insert the straw there. Okay.
No, sir, no, sir. The wing part.
Okay, wing part. We didn't cut anything here, dear.
Wing middle part. No, sir. You told we should make it bendable with the scale.
No, we just have to bend that to fix here. See here, there is a bend, right? To keep the wing properly, to fix the wing properly, we have to bend this one. Okay. We should not cut that one. Okay, guys. See.
Okay, sir.
Hold your plane like this, and if it is bending backward, then just add a washer. Okay, so washer should be used to balance the plane. If the plane is bending backward like this, then take a washer and fix it here in the eye of the fish. Okay, just attach there so that plane gets balancing. Sankalp, now it's bending towards you, right?
Yes, sir.
Now take a metal washer and add in the nose of the fish. Attach
Sir,
this.
Sir,
Yes,
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes,
Can
can.
we use propeller and motor? Can we stick it together using the glue gun?
Yes, you can.
Bend the front one.
Yes, you can, dear. You can do that.
Sir, do we need 2 or 1?
One motor is enough.
Sir, my plane is bending.
The washer, how many do we need?
Washer only, just add one first. See, still if it is bending, then add one more. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I used a DC motor,
So,
but
Mohammed,
it was
yours
like,
is bending
is it
forward,
too,
right?
like, the DC motor, when I put it the hot glue, it fell down.
It's fine, no problem. Fix it
Sir,
later.
I didn't use the micro DC motor because I don't have it. I used the
Okay, no
DC
problem.
motor, but the thing is that it was so heavy that it went
Yeah,
opposite side.
that's why I asked you to use the micro DC motor. But it's fine, no problem. Okay.
Sir, I will mostly get it today. If not, I will try and do it.
Sir, mine was stalling, so I put this. Is this a
Metal washer.
metal thing?
Not there, dear, not there. You have to fix that in the eye of the ear. Can you see mine? Right in front of the aircraft.
Okay.
Sir, why?
There is a round
Sir,
mark,
why metal
right?
washer is needed, sir?
There is a round mark, right?
What happens if we
Sir,
fix
but
it
why
there?
metal washer is
Metal to balance the aircraft. See, now when I
Sir?
hold this, it will bend towards me, right? It will bend like this. So to avoid that, we are going to add a metal washer so that plane gets balanced. Got
Okay,
it?
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now, if yeah, it's bending forward, right? Now, what you do, no, Muhammad, take a metal washer and fix it here in the tail part. Attach there. Yes, there. Yes, just top of the plane. Wait, I'll show you. See, just add the metal washer like this. Here.
With the glue?
Yeah, with the glue.
Okay, sir. Then it will be balanced straight.
Yes.
Okay, sir. A big
Okay.
Sir, I can
let-
try it and show. I can try and just post the video.
Yes, post a video in the group after later. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Thank you. And
Can I
do
leave?
is there anyone having doubts, guys, in today's
Sir,
class?
can I leave? I don't have any doubt.
Okay, Akshat, take care. Bye.
Take care, sir.
Sir, we need for the next round foam sheet and
Sir, it's for bending to the forward.
Bending forward.
Sir,
How many metal washers you attached?
one.
One. Now take another one and place it here.
Sir, it fell down.
Attach it. Use a strong glue.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
how the plane will fly?
Sorry, Mohammed. Come again, Mohammed.
Sir, I don't have the metal washer and sir, can I get it?
Fly.
Yes, you get it and fix it.
I'm sorry, sir, can you just send a video of it?
Metal washers.
Video?
Of the what to do with that metal washer? I know what to do, but just in the video posted
See,
because
I will explain here only. Just check it. Just listen here. Okay. When you hold the plane like this, it should be balancing. It should not bend forward either backward. So if it is bending, to avoid that, we are going to add metal washer. If it is bending towards towards backward, then you are going to add a metal washer here, right here. Okay.
in the eye of the fish.
Yes. If it is bending forward, then just add the metal washer in the tail of the plane.
My
So,
plane is bending backwards, so I'll
eventually-
put it in the eye of the fish.
Yes. Finally, it should be balancing. Your plane should be balancing. Okay. If it is balancing, then go outside and just fly. Just throw the glider in the air. It will fly. Okay.
Sir, like this.
Yes, exactly.
Without
Sankal.
Yeah.
Now it's balancing, right?
Circuit fell down. So is it okay if I glide it without the circuit?
Yeah, if you want to glide it, you have to remove the circuit, okay, so that it will fly easily.
Okay, sir.
And please make a video. I want to see
Sir,
how
how
it's
do,
going to fly.
but sir,
Okay.
how do we put
Sir,
on
I sent
the
it
front
how
of
it
the
was flying with the one with the motor.
Without motor, you can't put
Sorry, Aradhya, do you have any doubt here?
we connect the fan without this motor?
How to connect the propeller?
How to connect this fan without the motor in this front of the fish?
If you don't have a motor, no need to connect the propeller, dear. Just leave it. Okay. Okay, guys. Muhammad,
Bye, sir.
bye. Thank you. Take care.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Vibhuti, show me your model. I didn't see yours.
This one is right. I sent the video in the group with the motor and fan.
Wow, good.
So do we leave?
And Vibhuti, you have already removed the motor, right?
Yeah.
Now, when you get time, go outside and try to fly it, okay? Without motor. And make a video how it's going to glide, okay?
Okay.
Okay, all the best, better. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. And who else?
Mom is talking.
Madhav,
Yes, sir.
do you have any doubts, beta?
No, sir.
What is your model?
Next time,
Mom is
the
talking.
materials, I'll know what to do.
Okay, so your lack of having motor, like you don't have materials, right?
Yeah, I don't have the sheet and I don't have the motor.
Okay, okay. And I'll give one suggestion, dear. If you don't get a foam sheet, you can do this plane by using a cardboard sheet, the box.
Just normal cardboard?
Yeah, the normal box cardboard sheet is there. No, you can do with that also.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, no problem. Have a nice day.
Hi,
Bye.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Have a nice
Bye,
day.
Sankal. Mohammed? Mohammed, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear. My mom is talking.
Okay, yeah. Do you have any doubt, beta? Okay, just connect it. Is it motor is rotating? Where is the propeller? Where is the propeller? You should attach the propeller to the DC motor so that it rotates. We'll be able to see the rotating part.
Sir, can you hear us?
Yes, yes, I can, dear. Add the propeller and give up power. You know how to do a circuit, right? Yes. Yeah, that is the propeller.
It's the hole is so big of the propeller.
You can fix that. That is enough. That is good.
But it's